I find the Smartgeometry Conference to be really a surprising home in the sense that a lot of the people that are involved in the practice of using parametric design tools are very specifically thinking about a lot of the same problems that I have been. In the next 5 to 10 years, the design of spaces is going to go through the same type of transformation that design of products has in the last 10. People are going to begin to understand different capabilities in spaces, and so they're going to begin to use spaces based on how those spaces can perform the services that can inhabit them rather than what those spaces look like to begin with. And so there's a huge shift coming around what people think of when they understand how they're going to use space. Right now, most design projects around architecture and urban planning are about resolving from a superset of possibilities into one solution, but actually now, with the way that digital tools will leave the capabilities and flexibilities of space open, it means that those choices don't have to be resolved all the way. That set of possibilities is somewhat uncertain in the sense that it's not predetermined, but it also means that it's a set of choices that the inhabitant of the space can make in real time. When generative components came about, it was definitely one of the better examples of how that type of system could be made dynamic such that the users of the system could understand immediately the type of feedback they were getting and the geometry that they were generating. Bentley, I think, opened people's minds to a lot of tools that came from much kind of deeper-seated understandings in computer science and mathematical topology that bubbled up into an iterative exploration tool set that creatives could use to understand the possibilities for form generation, form finding. It's interesting to come across from a totally different set of disciplines into the space and yet realize that we're all speaking the same language in terms of some of these deep structures of emergence and understanding complexity and visualization, things like that.